Morning from Hope, British Columbia. Me and Dad are, well, you see our truck way back there in the corner. We're out of the shop, and we're actually in Canada, so bit of a teaser for the rest of the video. Had to spend the night in Hope again. We had to go to Chilliwack. So, anyways, on to this crazy video. Sometimes waking up sucks.
Far from.
Well, got the word. So, me and Dad are over here in Alberta, Canada, finally with the load, and now I can finally share something with you. You wanna let them know?
Nope.
No, you don't want to let them know. Okay.
Nope.
No.
Secret.
It's a secret. Well, you gotta tell them something. I mean, to keep them coming to the next video.
We ain't got to tell them squat.
What?
Just stay tuned to the next video and you'll know what's going on.
Something.
I don't care.
You don't care? Well, you gotta tell them. Come on, you're the star of the show.
No, I'm not. Hey, we're going to an ice age place. Take a wild guess where that's going to be. Way up northwest.
Around the Arctic Circle. No joke.
Right below.
Right below it. Like, really. Alaska. We are going to Alaska. So this next video you guys will see will be the start of our trip going to Alaska. We gotten the word that we're leaving, let's see, not sure what date you guys are watching this because I still haven't loaded the first of the breakdown video because I have no data in Canada because that's just my carrier. T-Mobile sucks that way. But we're supposed to leave on today's Wednesday, March 20th, a week from today, which is like the 28th, I guess, Thursday. So I've got two friends that live in Fairbanks. Well, Dad's got one and I have the other. And they're good people. So hopefully we'll be able to see them, hang out with them for 24 hours, and call it good. Meanwhile, it's my turn to drive, and this is what the roads look like. Yeah, right outside of Calgary. I'm over here on the one in Brooks. So it's at the Flying J in Brooks. Roads are okay, but folks ain't going that fast. Of course, that's the exit ramp. Folks are slowing down. The actual road itself is... No, that is the road. Never mind. Folks are going slow. Okay. Dad said the plows are out, so yeah, I got about 9 hours or so to drive to get to where I'm going. Got to get on the other side of the pass and get to our first stop over there in Sorrento. Come to find out, the crane in Chilliwack can't be there until Friday morning because, well, I don't know. Crane can't be there until Friday morning. So, stuck out another day. But, you'll be happy to note all of our breakdown paid came through on our paychecks. So, that's really good. We were down a total of 4.5 days. And, our company is really, really, like, they're good people. Like, the company will take a hit as long as I can afford it to make sure that we're, more than whole. So, something to say for a lot of companies out here for a lot of trucking companies that don't do that. And I've worked for 4 in my past, and only one came close to touching them, and they were a lot bigger than we are, like 1,000 trucks. Maverick Transportation. Anyways, he's not here. He's over there. Sorry.
All right.
Denny's. I want pancakes. Pancakes sound good. Wally Weatherman here, giving you a road update. Forecast, it sucks. Road conditions, I got tracks, so we're doing okay. We're doing about 45 mile an hour. We're doing okay. Fire truck, ambulance, Popo. Man, he turned over. That's man. Truck turned over on its side. Yep. Damn. Oh boy. He's a 3-axle truck too. Well, I lost the windshield wiper, so I had to pull over and wrap up the blade. And we don't have a thick socket, long socket, in order to fit into the wiper arm to take it off, because that's a bolt holding it on. Well, about 70 American dollars later, I was able to replace it at this Esso over here at, what is it? Where are we at, Dad?
Where we at?
Yeah, you know?
Hang on, man.
It's on the one outside of Calgary, that first Esso commercial truck stop, I guess.
Osada?
Zada?
Osada.
Ozada. There's a casino over here, so yins know where you're talking about, you Canadians. Yeah.
Banana skis. Banana skis.
Banana skis. Okay, alrighty. Say that again.
Banana skis.
Oh, okay. Well, that'll work. Alrighty. We're about, let's see, how far are we away? Well, we're 297 miles away, and we'll be there at about probably 6:30 in the morning. About 2.5 hours after that, we're getting unloaded. Yeah, at 9 a.m. Yeah. Cutting it kind of close, but, you know, weather and panic. Boy. It's a little windy, having trouble. We'll get it done though. Woo! See, pretty day today, but it's just a little windy. All right. Yeah, boy, we're doing good. Well, my shift's done. I just got through eating breakfast. Look at the water, the mountains. It's pretty nice. No? We're on our way to Chilliwack, and we want to call them here in the next couple hours and see if I can't get that crane scheduled a little bit sooner. And if the crane company's got an opening or whatnot. If they do, then great, we get unloaded and we're moving. But if not, gonna go to the truck stop, get some diesel, get a shower, kind of hang out until tomorrow morning. Because that's pretty much it. So you may not hear from me again until after all that. So we're getting unloaded. But meanwhile, some scenery stuff. It's pretty. Canada was on fire last summer. Is that what it was? Last summer? Last fall or something?
Yeah, it was last year.
Yeah. New wipers hanging out. Just really ain't long enough. Another delivery. Good to go. After we get home, boys and girls, we'll start our Alaska trip. So that's going to be really something.
You guys stayed at,
Going to Fairbanks.
oh yeah?
Yeah, Fairbanks, yeah. We got to leave Thursday of next week.
Oh shit.
I know, right, yeah. Hey, we're unloaded and we're already at the border. Literally, it's like 15 minutes away. This is the Canadian side going on to the US side, so over here at, I forget what is it, Sumas? Is that the name of the town?
Yes.
Yeah, Sumas. Technically, it's Harbert, Abbotsford, back that way. We went through Chilliwack, Abbotsford, Sumas. Tiny little towns. They all mush together as one, seems like. Where all the cars go. The commercial side's a little funny. They got these radiation detectors. That's what they are. And we're good to go. Anyways, put the phone down. Now the problem, that idler pulley's gone bad. It's not putting you in tension. Seems like it, but it's an easier fix than an alternator. So.